Welcome to the Bag and Investor channel for a new tutorial. Today we're talking about something not that special, but something that you should find interesting. Last video was about bearish screening in general. Today we're gonna go deeper into bearish screening, and I'm just gonna show you one kind of bearish screener that you can use and that I think is going to be very useful for you. That is a moving average bearish screener. This is going to be very simple, yet very effective for you. It's the basic thing that you can do is always moving average. We're gonna go for two moving averages. We're gonna go and draw them on the graph. Let's go. So you're gonna go into indicators and you're gonna print your moving average. So you're gonna click them 2 times. You're gonna add 1 and you're gonna add 2 of them. You're gonna have them over here. The first one, you're gonna set that to 20. All right, moving average 20. And the second, you're gonna go and make it 100. There you go. We're gonna go for the weekly time frame so you can see better. All right. So there you have two moving average, the 20 moving average and the 100 moving average. Those are the standard. And when you have an asset that's bullish, the two moving average are acting in a certain way. You might know, but if you don't know, I'm gonna explain it to you. When the asset is bullish, the 20 is above the 100, and it's the opposite. When the asset is bearish, it's the other side. So we're gonna go to the daily chart on Bitcoin, and you can see that from here we have a declared bearish trend according to the technical indicator. So what we can do is we can search for that kind of thing, but on the time frame we want. So either the daily or the 4-hour chart. So let's go to the crypto screener. We're gonna go in there and type crypto screener. I was just looking at stocks, but it's not important. We're gonna go into the general screener and we're gonna let that. It's not a big deal. Okay, you select the daily period right there, daily, and you have your average screener. This is general. You get no filters. Okay, everything is ready to go. So you're gonna go to the filters and you're gonna type in moving average. You have the simple moving average and the exponential moving average. What do we want? We want the simple, as we said. You could use the exponential, but for this one, I want to use the simple. It's up to you, really. I mean, we do it in future videos. You just really have to know that the simple gives the price all average the same weight, and the exponential gives more weight to the price close to the actual candle than it gives to the price far from the actual candle. That's not what we want right now. So you have your simple moving average 20 right there. Remember in the graph we use 20 and 100. So we're gonna look at that and go for below. That's what we want, right? You can change that, but that's what we want. We want this to be below. And we're gonna check this simple moving average 100 right there. All right. It's really all you have to do. It's that simple. Then you're gonna add another filter, remember? The exchange filter. Because you want the pairs only from the exchange you're trading, otherwise that would be completely useless. So I guess most of you are trading on Binance. So I'm gonna select Binance. And there you have it. And in that search bar, you're gonna search for USDT. And there you go. You have everything you need to check for bearish pairs. And you can see that on the daily that has cross. And when you're screening like that, you're gonna check the chart patterns, but that's the basic and the first thing I wanted to teach you about bearish screening. I think that's interesting to you, at least I hope it is. If it was interesting to you, don't mind asking your questions in the description. Asking your questions on the Discord. You can join the Discord with the link in the description, and we'll continue your lessons and your teaching in future videos to learn how to spot the best trading opportunities. Thank you so much for coming and seeing this video. Hope I taught you something. Have a good night and goodbye.